Here are 10 things to consider when you're choosing your paint color. First thing you want to look at is the natural light. What is the natural light coming into your space? Do you have big windows? Do you have small windows? That will help determine the shade of the color that will appear on the wall. Second thing is to be wary of eye-popping colors. So what appears to be very bright on a small piece of sample will appear even brighter in a larger room. So just be careful with how bright you want to go. Third thing you can do is to conduct a preliminary test. So take a picture of the room or the wall that you want to paint. Upload the image on your computer and just Photoshop different colors of the wall with the furniture that is in the room. Fourth thing is that there are apps that can help you choose colors so you can get a feel for what the room may look like. The fifth thing is never rely on sample colors. Don't just take your piece of paper that has a sample paint color on it and put it against the wall. You want to do a test run and actually take paint and actually apply it on the wall. The sixth thing is avoid going to matchy-matchy. So if you're looking at paint colors that are the exact same colors as your sofa, your cushions, or your wood, it's going to look very bland. So you want to have a little bit of a contrast and something a little bit different on the walls in comparison to the furniture that you have in the space. Whiter walls won't always make a room look brighter. It can actually make it look more depressing. So really be careful when you're thinking about using a white tone. Always, again, look at the lighting, look at the situation of the room, because the last thing you want is a glooming looking room when all you wanted was a bright, crisp white. If you're looking to use two colors in a room, so one accent wall or two separate colors, make sure there's some kind of architectural feature that can help separate the two so they're not just going side to side with no transition. Last thing is don't get caught up in the trends. A lot of people want what everybody else wants. Follow your instincts, go with the colors that you feel happiest in, and you will absolutely love the new look of your space.